Welcome to Next Techie. Today, we're thrilled to give you an exclusive look at Samsung's One UI 7. At Samsung's developer conference, the spotlight was on One UI 7.
We are exploring a brand new UX design. One UI 7 will bring a fresh new look to the entire interface.
Let's dive into what makes this update special. First, the design is sleeker. Samsung revamped app icons and the notification shade, making everything more streamlined. The camera app now has controls at the bottom for easy one-handed use. And the recent apps view has a fresh new look. A standout feature is the vertical app drawer, now a default option for better customization. The Settings app and battery indicator received subtle updates, aligning with earlier leaks. While some elements draw inspiration from iOS, Samsung maintains a unique feel with smoother animations. This update is one of the most significant yet, and we can't wait for its release. However, Samsung announced that One UI 7, built on Android 15, will arrive next year with the Galaxy S25, while some are eager for an earlier release. Many appreciate Samsung's commitment to quality. What do you think about One UI 7? Don't forget to subscribe to Next Techie for more updates. Share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on social media for the latest tech news. See you in the next video.